Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. Today we're taking a focused look at TradingView's arrow tools, those little visual cues that can make your trading charts not only clearer, but much easier to read and review later on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel totally confident using arrows to mark your trades, like where you entered the market and where you placed your stop losses. It's a simple skill, but a big game changer, especially if you want to review your strategies or share your ideas with others. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, go to TradingView. If you haven't used it before, it's a powerful platform for charting and analyzing all kinds of markets, from stocks to crypto to Forex. So open up your browser, head over to TradingView.com and sign in to your account. If you don't have one, you can easily make a free account in just a couple of minutes. Once you're in, you'll see a range of products along the top, things like charts, ideas, scripts. For our tutorial, just make sure you've chosen the chart product, since that's where all the analysis magic happens. Think of it like walking into the kitchen before you start cooking. The chart is your workspace. Now take a look at the tool panel on the left side of your chart. This is your toolbox full of different drawing and annotation tools you can use to highlight ideas, draw trends, or in our case, add arrows. Let's narrow our focus specifically to the arrow tools. These are typically nested in with the annotation options. If you hover over the annotation section, you'll see several symbols pop up, including different types of arrows. If it's your first time here, take a second to explore. There's more than one style, and you can always find your favorite once you've played with them a bit. Okay, let's get practical. Say you've taken a trade, maybe you placed your bet on Bitcoin heading upwards at a specific price level. To mark this visually, select the upward arrow tool. Now, click exactly where you entered your trade on the chart. This arrow acts as your memory jogger. Later, when you revisit the chart, you'll instantly know, that's where I went in. Next, what if you've set a stop loss to manage your risk, a classic move and a crucial one? You never want to lose more than you're comfortable with. To show this clearly, grab the downward arrow tool and place it at the price where you set your stop loss. It's a super simple action, just click and there it is. But it's such an effective way to keep your thinking visible. Maybe you're reviewing your trades at the end of the week or showing a friend how you called the market. Now anyone looking can see, entry point up here, stop loss down there. Don't worry if your arrows aren't perfectly placed on the first try, you can always move or adjust them. And if you end up with too many markings, just delete what you don't need. Adding arrows like this takes just a few moments, but really helps keep your trading notes organized and easy to follow. And that's all there is to it. Using the arrow tools might seem simple, but it's one of those habits that can really clarify your trading history and help you spot patterns faster. If you found this video helpful, please tap that like button. And if you have any more questions about arrows or anything else in TradingView, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and happy trading.